Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness products. Today, we're diving into the world of eye care with a product that's been making waves for its effectiveness in combating dry eyes. Introducing the Optase Allegro eye drops. Now, if you're someone who suffers from dry eyes, you know how uncomfortable and irritating it can be. But fear not, because Optase Allegro eye drops are here to save the day. These eye drops are not your average solution. They're specifically formulated to provide fast-acting relief from dry eye symptoms. Whether it's caused by environmental irritants, excessive screen time, or even wearing contact lenses. And the best part? They work in just 30 seconds, so you can say goodbye to burning, itching, and dryness in no time. But that's not all. Optase Allegro eye drops also soothe itchy, dry eyes caused by seasonal irritants like pollen, animal hair, mold, and dust mites. So, whether it's spring, summer, fall, or winter, you can enjoy clear, comfortable, and beautiful eyes all year round. Now, you might be wondering, what's the secret behind these magical eye drops? Well, it's all thanks to their preservative-free formula, which addresses the overlap of itchiness and dryness. Plus, it's safe to use with contact lenses and suitable for children or during pregnancy. So there you have it, folks. If you're tired of dealing with dry, itchy eyes, it's time to give Optase Allegro eye drops a try. Trust us, your eyes will thank you. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, take care of those peepers and stay tuned for more amazing finds.